Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Navi protocol token. Ticker symbol is Navx, Navx. This token is on the SWI blockchain. You can find them on swivision.xyz. This token just got a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings, many central exchange listings. One of them is having a kind of a cool promotion too. We're going to go over that in a second, and all the info on the Navi protocol token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced here that the Navx token will be listed here, I believe today, February 8th. Let me check it out here. So yeah, trading starts February 8th at 10 o'clock UTC time, so it is available now on a central exchange called Coinex Global, and they're having a listing bonus giveaway event that looks like it's going all the way until the 15th, February 15th. So check this trading event out. It says Navi protocol is a native one-stop liquidity protocol on SWI. It enables users to participate as liquidity providers or borrowers within the SWI ecosystem. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like, and it is listed now. So basically all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search NAVX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy, and so it is available now. If you want to check out this event I'm talking about, you can follow them on Twitter at CoinexCom, and they have this listing bonus announcement. They're doing a $3,000 giveaway. You can check out all these announcements here on Coinex Global's Twitter. Yesterday, Space ID was the top gainer. I did do a video on Space ID a long time ago. You can get that also off of Coinex Global. I was looking at Space ID yesterday. It was almost up 100% when I was looking at it, doing very well yesterday. But anyways, this token, the Navi protocol token, just got a whole bunch of brand new listing announcements I saw on their Twitter, and you can find their Twitter in the corner of the screen there at Navi_protocol. 866 tweets, blue verified checkmark, 74,100 Twitter followers. Has a link to their webpage right there, naviprotocol.io. And over there on their webpage, you can find all their socials, Twitter, Telegram. They have blog articles. They have a document section, all sorts of links over there. But if you check out there, I guess they just finished their initial DEX offering, and then so they're getting all these listings after their IDO. So if you scroll through their Twitter, you can see all these brand new listing announcements. It says they will be listed on BitGet. They're going to be listed on Gate. They're going to be listed on Kucoin. There's just a ton of listing announcements on here after their IDO, and then the newest one with this contest event going on right now where you could win some dough is on Coinex Global. So check out the Coinex Global listing and the referral code down there. Now, their document section you can find at naviprotocol.gitbook.io. That's going to have tons of info. But what is Navi? So Navi is the first native one-stop liquidity protocol on SWI. It enables users to participate as liquidity providers or borrowers within the SWE ecosystem. Liquidity providers supply assets to the market, earning passive income through yields, while borrowers have the flexibility to obtain loans for different assets. With its focus on providing essential DeFi infrastructure, Navi aims to be a key player in the rapidly evolving world of DeFi in the SWE ecosystem. The protocol's innovative features, such as automatic leverage vaults and isolation mode, enable users to leverage their assets and access novel trading opportunities with minimized risks. Navi's design provides support for digital assets at different risk levels, while its advanced security features ensure the protection of user funds and the mitigation of systemic risks. The name Navi finds its roots in the original Indian language meaning "be kind to people." This philosophy is reflected to the Navi team's commitment to fostering mass adoption of DeFi by emphasizing the simplicity and security offered by the Move programming language. So its key offerings here are earn interest, borrow, blue chip pool, and LP-based pool. They have Navi Lite or Navi Pro. So Navi's offerings include a decentralized liquidity protocol that allows users to lend and borrow cryptocurrency assets without intermediaries using a shared liquidity pool system. Navi's liquidity pools are created for each supported asset, and users can deposit their assets into these pools. They receive Navi receipt tokens in returns in which their share of the pool, i.e. NSWE. These tokens can be used as collateral to borrow other assets from the pool. The collateralization ratio determines the amount that can be borrowed, and it is adjusted dynamically based on supply and demand. More in-depth information can be found in the developer's documents. Now, the Navi token, Navi has a governance system that allows Navi token holders to vote on proposals and change the protocol. This includes setting interest rates, adding new assets to the protocol, and changing the collateralization ratio. So then they have the tokenomics. So the token can be used for staking, governance, fee collection, or distribution. There is an emission schedule for the token. You can use it for locking, fee discounts, staking, borrowing, and lending. All sorts of information about this token can be found naviprotocol.gitbook.io, and it just got this brand new central exchange listing starting today on Coinex Global. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Coinex Global one if you don't have an account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.